Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to continue the same chapter, that is section formula. I have already explained how to solve the question of this chapter. It has only one exercise. I explained the formulas and some questions of this chapter. So now I am going to continue with the same chapter. Here I am going to explain some more question of this chapter. So here we have the 11th question. The coordinate of the midpoint of the line segment PQ is 1, P and Q are 1, comma minus 2. 1, comma minus 2. This is the midpoint of PQ. The coordinate of PR minus 3, comma 2. Find the coordinate of Q. You have to get the coordinate of Q. We have a line PQ whose midpoint is 1, comma minus 2 and the coordinate of P is minus 3, comma 2. Let the coordinate of Q is X and Y. As we all know that midpoint capital X, comma capital Y. How we apply the formula? Capital X is x1 plus x2 by 2 and capital Y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Put the values. Here these are the coordinate x1, y1. This is x2, y2. And here we have capital X, capital Y. Let's apply. In place of capital X, we have 1. x1 is minus 3 plus x2 is x by 2. By cross multiplication, minus 3 plus x is equals to 2. So, x is equals to 2 plus 3. So, x is equals to 5. In place of y, minus 2, y1 is 2, y2 is y by 2. By cross multiplication, 2 plus y is equals to minus 4. So, y is equals to minus 4 minus 2. So, y is equals to minus 6. So, these are the coordinates of Q, that is 5, comma minus 6. Now, 12th question, AB is the diameter of the circle with center minus 3, comma 2. As we all know that the center of the circle divides the diameter into two equal parts. It means that center is the midpoint. The coordinate of A is given. We can get the coordinate of B and length of AC also we can get by the distance formula. Distance formula already we have studied in the previous class. The distance formula is under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is in square root. Okay. So, next question. I am going to take question number 14th. The line segment joining A and B, the coordinate of A and B are given, is divided in the ratio 1:3 at P. The point where the line segment AB intersect y-axis, calculate the value of A and the coordinate of P. Let's solve this question. This is the 14th question. I am going to explain the 14th question. As both point of view, it is very important chapter. Every year we have the question from this chapter and it is very simply formula based. So easily you can prepare it. Now the 14th question we have A and B point which divides in the ratio 1:3 at P, and the point where the line segment AB intersect y-axis. This is the coordinate axis. Suppose this is the line which intersect at y-axis. This is the P point. And the coordinate of A, suppose this is A point, -1, 5/3. And this is B point, A, 5. And the ratio is 1:3. How can we solve? We have coordinate of A and B. A is -1, 5/3. B is A, 5. So this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. And ratio is 1:3. This is m1, m2. When the line intersect at P point on y-axis, what we can say for this point? For this point, we can say that at this point, the value of x is 0. At P point, the value of x is 0, and the P point divide this line in the ratio 1:3. This is the ratio 1:3. Let the coordinate of P be capital X, capital Y. Let P capital X, capital Y. Let's apply. Capital X is equal to x1 m2 plus x2 m1 upon m1 plus m2. And for y, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Let's simplify. Put the values. At point P, we have the value of x 0. So here we have 0. x1 is, for P point, x is 0, y, because it intersect at P point. In place of x1, we have -1, m2 is 3, x2 is A, m1 is 1 upon m1 plus m2. 0 is equals to, this is -3 plus A upon 4. By cross multiplication, this is 0 is equals to -3 plus A. So A is equals to 3. This is the value of A. And here you have to get the value of A and calculate the coordinate of P. So you have to get the value of y also. In place of m1, 1, y2 is 5, m2 is 3, y1 is 5/3 upon 1 plus 3. This is 5, 3 is cancel out. 5 plus 5 upon 4. This is 10/4. This is the value of y. 5/2. So coordinate of P is 3, coordinate of P is, value of x is, the value of x at P point is 0, value of y is 5/2. So 0, 5/2 is the coordinate of P. Next we have the question. Next question easily we can solve. 14, the P points divides, the coordinate of P is given. So easily we can put the values. In place of B, let x1 and y1 or xy. So next question we have question number 18th. The coordinate of A and B are given. Find the length of AB. In what ratio the line segment AB divided by the x-axis. Next we have question number 14. Sorry, which question I was explaining? I forgot. 18th. Okay, 18th. In 18th we have A minus 4 comma 3 and B 8 comma minus 6. Find the length of AB. We all know that length is equals to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. We have the distance formula. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. Put the values in place of x1 minus 4, x2 is minus 8 whole square, y1 is 3, y2 is minus 6 whole square. This is minus minus plus. Minus 12 whole square plus 3 plus 6 whole square. This is 144 plus this is 9 square, this is 81. By simplifying, this is 225, this is 15 unit. The length is 15 unit. In second part, in what ratio a line segment joining AB divided by the x-axis? When the x-axis divides, this we have coordinate axis. We have this line AB. This point divides the line AB. When x-axis divide, it means that the value of y is 0. So, apply the formula. Suppose this point is P. At P point, x comma 0. The coordinate of P is x comma 0. Apply the formula. Let the ratio is m1 is to m2. Ratio is m1 is to m2. If we have the value y 0, then consider only y. No need to take x. Y is equals to m2 y1 plus m1 y2 upon m1 plus m2. Put the value in place of y, we have 0. m2 is, we are going to get y1 is 3, m1, y2 is minus 6 upon m1 plus m2. By cross multiplication, we have the 0. So, we have 3m2 minus 6m1 is equals to 0. So, 3m2 is equals to 6m1. So, m1 by m2 is equals to 3 by 6. This is 1 by 2. So, m1 is to m2 is equals to 1 is to 2. So, like this you can solve the other questions. If you have any queries, then you can ask. Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.